Welcome to another segment of Cooking with Don Juanito, and today I'm going to start showing you how to cook with a cast iron skillet. I do intermittent fasting, so I eat 2 meals a day, and I wake up in the morning and I'm very hungry, so I'm going to cook a big, healthy country cowboy breakfast in my skillet here. So I'm going to start by putting 2 hash brown patties in the skillet. And next, some green pepper and some onion. Get all that going in there. And then some turkey sausages. We're going to let that cook for a little bit. Now you notice there's some noise in this video. That's because I've got this fan here going, because one of the things you'll learn about these cast iron skillets is that they will definitely set your smoke alarm off if you're not careful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some liquid eggs into the mix. And what we're going to do is we're going to let all that cook up together and just mix it up into a big hash. So back shortly. And there you have it. Don Juanito's Cowboy Skillet Breakfast. Now, this is obviously a lot of food, but I eat one time in the morning like this, and then I'll have another meal at 2 o'clock, and that's it. I eat 8 hours a day and fast for 16. Intermittent fasting, baby.